My name is Scott Ostrander. I'm the co-executive chef and co-owner of Origami Asian Grill in Sacramento, California. I've been here for 3 years and I've been a chef for 21 years. Origami kind of started as this idea that we needed local, fresh, and variety. And that really came out of the fact that food culture has changed in America, and it's changed in Sacramento. And we found that having options and things that were fast could really speak to people. So we wanted to kind of embody that, but do it with the way that we were born as chefs and thought this is how we need to bring food to the masses for the future. For us at Origami, we decided that electricity is really important to us in versatility of how we position things in the kitchen. Our rice cookers, they have to move. Our induction burners, they have to move. So we're not always set up in the same exact spot. So electricity allowed us a lot of versatility versus gas, which is stuck in its place. And we needed to get away from that. And so that was one step towards going towards electricity. I'm a big fan of induction burners. I first started using them in 2012. I was introduced to them. And I found them to be very versatile and useful. So they're very precise to the temperature that you need them to be. And to a chef, that is just priceless. Precision and control is everything for us at Origami. When it comes to working with sugar, with sauces, with time and temperature. And so for us to execute these ingredients and these techniques, we need to have exact precision. Some of the things that I like to work with on an induction burner, I like to make scrambled eggs or fried eggs in a saute pan. I like to work on sauce work, whether it's a demi-glace or something along those lines, or a sous vide. I also like to boil water for tea for customers, a la minute. And then I like to do sugar work, whether it's caramel or something along those lines. The benefit of doing them on an induction burner is actually just being able to hold the temperature. This is you can set it and forget it and know that that temperature is not going to go above where you need it to be. Our induction burners, they go to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 3,500 watts of pure electricity. So it's amazing that it can boil water in under 60 seconds. The most appealing thing about cooking on electric induction burners would have to be the cleanliness of it. I like to work clean and operate clean. So I don't have these grill grates of things like spilling over and then I have to scrub these grates at the end of the night or soak them. I can literally just wipe a towel and it's gone. And I have a clean surface to work with again. I'm excited because you don't have to work with gas. I mean, gas burns, it smells, it's got a lot of different things that are uncontrollable to a chef that needs precision, right? And that's everything to us. It's also safer for the environment, right? And everyone wants to do their part. The savings that we're looking at is gonna have to be first with labor and then with the cost of electricity itself. So right now we feel like we're using electricity where we don't actually need to be using it. So if you think about it, I have pilot lights that light through the entire night. You have to keep them on, right? And you have to keep a hood system on, just in case there's a fire overnight. So imagine if that wasn't the case. Imagine if I didn't have to turn the pilot lights off every single night and have to spend the labor to do that. And then spend the labor to do that every single morning to turn it all back on. I wouldn't have to use that. So the cost savings, extrapolate that from daily to weekly to monthly to yearly, and all of a sudden we're saving a lot of money. We're talking thousands upon thousands of dollars every year. Switching to electrical appliances, right? And that's gonna save us time and money. And it's gonna do that through our staff. So imagine a line cook that has to cook a certain thing at a certain time. And maybe they have 2 other things that they have to do at that time. I need them to be just perfect time task managers. So if I have a combi oven that is an electric unit that has a timer and it tells me exactly what it needs to be, they can program that ahead of time. So now I have somebody that can easily multitask, saving me time and labor, and then being more efficient in the workplace.